This compact ToAuite vlogging camera delivers very sharp 5K video at 30 frames per second and 64 megapixel photos, so everyday clips and travel shots look impressively detailed. The 6 times optical zoom and reliable autofocus make it easy to frame distant subjects or close macro scenes while still keeping images crisp and clean. Dual front and rear lenses, along with Wi-Fi connectivity and phone remote control, make it especially convenient for selfies, daily vlogs, and quick social media sharing. Built-in image stabilization, creative shooting modes, and a bright flash help you get usable, attractive photos even in low light or when shooting on the move. Its lightweight body, simple controls, and included large-capacity memory card make it a friendly option for beginners, teens, and casual creators who want to step up from a smartphone. The bundled accessories, including 2 rechargeable batteries, a carrying bag, and a lanyard, create a ready-to-go kit that works well as a thoughtful gift for new photographers and vloggers.